welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another review video. The other day I was at Aldi and I picked myself up one of these, a high pressure water hose attachment. It's got a small type pressure hole there. It's got a switch here to turn it on and off, and what I like, on the end of the switch here, it's got an alternative nozzle that you can take off and switch out with that nozzle there, and you can then store whichever spare nozzle you've got on here. And look, for the price that these were, I thought I'd pick one of these up. I've already got a similar one of these which I've already done a video on, and I thought this one would come in really handy as well. It says here to clean out gutters, eaves and drains, and this is exactly why I bought it for. I will be cleaning out some gutters today. After all this rain we've had, we've been inundated with people who want their gutters cleaned. It's not something I normally do, but look, they're paying really well for it, and it's a pretty simple job. Like I said, I've already got one similar to this that I've purchased at Bunnings some time ago, and these do work really well. So let's just unbox it and I'll give it a bit of a run on my concrete down on the floor here, which is looking absolutely disgusting after all the rain, and we'll see how well it works on that. I've got my garden hose here. I've taken this out of its packaging. Let's just connect it up. There you go. Which way's off? That way's off and that way's on. So let's turn on the tap and see how it goes. As you can see, my concrete looks absolutely horrible. I've got the pointy nozzle on there for now. So let's try that one out and then we'll switch them out. Let's swap out the nozzle. There you go, we're going to put that one on. Okay, that easy. And it's got like a fan pattern, as you can see there. There you go, you've just seen it in action. Look, it works well for what it is. I mean, obviously it's not going to replace a $300 or $500 pressure washer. I mean, it's only supposed to, you know, give you a little bit of extra reach, a little bit of extra power for some cleaning jobs around the house. And, you know, any average person can use this. So you can just buy one of these and it will help you wash your car or clean up around your house or wash your trailer or your dirt bike, your motorbike or anything else that you might want to clean. I'm not going to use this to clean my whole driveway. Not only will it use a huge amount of water, but it'll be quite ineffective and take a long time, as you just saw when I used it. And that was only just a bit of a demonstration for you guys to see how much power this can generate. And as you saw, the smaller tip did generate quite a bit of power on a very small area. So it does work. And look, I'm very happy with it for the price that I paid. And look, I know what these are about. I've used these before. I've had a number of these. And look, for the price, I just couldn't leave it there. Another Aldi product to review. I did pay for this with my own money. So these reviews are quite independent. It looks to be a nice quality, like it's all metal fittings. I love the handle. I love the idea of how that's stored there, so your extra part's not going to get lost. It comes complete with your fittings, so it just clicks in your hose. So for the money, I think you're getting a bargain. And if you see one of these at Aldi, if you don't already have one, I'd definitely pick one up. If you own a house, a car, a trailer, a motorbike, anything for that matter, this will come in pretty handy, I think. Now, if you've got any questions about this product, don't forget to leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and definitely smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.